apparently, I think, would be sufficient under the circumstances. This is case number 612311, State of Texas versus Afia Adu, Afia being spelled A-F-U-A. Yeah, I think I have to ask a couple of things of your client.
Okay.
Ms. Adu, would you raise your right hand? Is she back with us?
Yes, sir, I'm right here.
Okay. Do you solemnly swear that this proceeding, any information or responses you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I just want to remind you for the record that in this proceeding, this is a criminal proceeding. It's a motion to enter adjudication of guilt. You always have a right, or you may require your right to remain silent. That means you don't have to make any statement, you don't have to say anything, answer questions, or submit paperwork. Do you understand you have that right?
Yes, sir.
You also have a right to demand that this proceeding be held in public. There's two ways to do that. One, primarily, that you can demand is in the public courtroom. Because of the COVID pandemic, we're not having courtroom hearings. So, are you willing to waive or give up the right to have this matter held or heard in the public courtroom and allow the proceeding to be done in what's called video conference, although it'll be on YouTube? That's a requirement.
Yes,
It'll be on YouTube. The whole world can see, can tune in. Not that they will, but just so you know, you have that right. Do you understand you have that right to demand the hearing in court, but you're waiving that? Is that correct?
yes, sir.
Very good. Now we can get to the meat of the thing. It's my understanding, Ms. Andrews, Jocelyn Andrews, the attorney for defendant, it's my understanding that the state and yourselves have come to an agreement. Is that correct?
That is, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement, Ms. Andrews?
Your Honor, she is going to agree to extend her probation for a month, and the state has agreed to withdraw their MTR request.
State, do you have such a motion?
We do, Your Honor.
All right, then that motion is granted. So the motion to enter adjudication of guilt is withdrawn, and the court grants that motion. Furthermore, the court agrees or approves the agreement to alter and amend by extension of 1 month the deferred adjudication. Is that correct, Ms. Andrews?
That is, Your Honor.
Mr. Edelman?
It is, sir.
All right. Ms. Adu
Yes, sir.
and Ms. Andrews, do we have any questions, Ms. Andrews?
No questions, Your Honor.
Ms. Adu, any question?
Yes, sir. Just really quickly, I do know I have to report to probation. I could do that either like today or when would I be able to report? Because I do have to be assigned an officer.
Ms. Thayes?
If I could speak to her in a breakout room, sir, I can provide that information, Judge.
All right. If you will go to breakout, Patty, if you'll put Ms. Thayes and Ms. Adu in breakout, then Ms. Andrews, you and your loved ones be blessed, be well, and be safe, and you're excused.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
It's breakout room 2,
Thank you,
Ms.
Ms.
Thayes and Ms. Adu.
All right. The rest of us will be in recess until 10 a.m.
Ms.
Thank you,
Thayes?
sir.
All right. I'll see you all in a few minutes.
Okay, Judge.
Patricia,
Yes, Judge.
what do we have at 10? Case number?
I can stop Zoom,